Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over our sword kata Ganmen-Ate, face strike. This is Seitei Kata number 8. Now, this gets its name from this technique that we will see as part of this kata. Striking to an opponent's face with the end of the suka here. We'll have a look at this from the front. We will have a look at this from the side. Let's get started. Ganmen-Ate. On my third step forward, sliding both hands out to strike, then pulling back with my left hand, I turn to face the opponent behind me. I turn the sword edge out away, step through, thrust to the midsection. Then I look back at my first opponent, turn, step through, overhead cut. Then from here, a flat chiburi and a flat no-toe as well. Now let's look at that again, this time going a little quicker without naming anything. Now, let's have a look at that from the side. Basic idea here, two opponents, one in front of me, one behind me. The one in front of me is going to grab me by the shoulders to hold me in place, while the one behind me cuts me down. Ganmen-Ate. 3 steps forward. On my third step, strike. Then pull the saya back. Look, turn. Again, I'm rotating the sword edge out. Step forward, thrust to the midsection. Look, turn, step through, overhead cut, flat chiburi, and a flat no-toe to go with it. All right, let's have one more look at that. A little bit faster now. Ganmen-Ate. That is the sword kata, Ganmen-Ate face strike. Thank you for joining me.